Hey everyone, it's your girl Carrie for I would say a big unboxing video. We have lots of boxes here for you to see what's inside. Before I get started, be sure to like and subscribe. Fancy visual effects. So let's see what we got. Well, this box is already open, kind of. Looks like I got some Funko Pop reorders. It's Agatha Harkness, the villain. Is that a spoiler? It's been a year. And we got Geppetto from Pinocchio. He's got his little accordion. He's having a time. Love that. We also have some Naruto best action figures. I feel like we've gotten these before. These little cat whisperers are very prominent. These were a special order. Ninja Turtles, reaction figures, Gecko and Mutagen Man. Very cool. Gecko comes with a skateboard. Sick. Oh look, and he's got his knee pads. Safety first. Alright, what's in here? The Pop-Up Parade! It's Demon Slayer Shinobu Kocho. She's one of my favorite characters just because I love her butterfly cape. I feel like I say this like every unboxing video, but it's so gorgeous. I want one. And we've got a Spider-Man Funko. This is from the Japanese TV series. He's got a bracelet on. Ooh, check this out. Cool. Very nice. Limited Glow Chase Edition. What? Cool. And I got some of the little BTS Funko keychains. There's B. And I have Jungkook and J-Hope. Oh look at his glasses. I don't think I've gotten J-Hope before. Cool. This is another special order. G.I. Joe Storm Shadow. All his weapons ready to go. What's in this box? Oh my goodness. It's Astro Boy! Let's see, are these all the same? Some of the colors are slightly different, so let's find out. Oh my god, they're like Funkos. But it's Astro Boy. Well, I guess this is Urine, who seems to be a girl. Not in fact a boy. Oh my god, I got the whole set! It's Kimba, the mouse. And that's her again. And Kimba, and then Astro Boy himself. Just wearing his underwear and his boots. Must be warm where he's too. And then the best one is the unicorn. Oh, Nico. Oh my god, look, she's yawning. Oh, I love her so much. Great color palette. Just exceptional beauty. So, check those out. Gorgeous, gorgeous. We got another box. these before too, but a reorder of Boba Fett, because he's the man. Everyone loves Bubba. He's got his own storybook and everything. Alright. This looks to be some mystery minis. Let's see. Very satisfying to open these. Oh, God. Nice. More Demon Slayer. And these, it looks like you can see what you're buying, so that's nice. So we got, there's only one Tanjiro. Why would they do that? So get here early, get your Tanjiro. There's a few Nizoku. And then there's a few, I'm learning the names, but I don't know everyone yet. Of her, or them. And this person looks evil. And then the bloody face guy. He also has an evil look on his face. Cool. Little tiny figures. And last thing in the box. One Piece. Abiliators. Crocodile. Nice wraparound box. He's got a cigar. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, I guess you can see more here. Interesting. He's like half pirate, half wood sculptor. Very cool. That's that. And then I think, last in the box. I think this has already been reserved. But it's John Lennon! In his military jacket, playing the guitar with his round glasses. It's very nice. Alright. So, one box down. Let's see what else we got. Oh. This is just Pokemon cards. Boltund V. Very nice. Xbox. Right. So, we got some McFarlane figures. First, we've got original Aquaman in his orange and green suit. He's got his big trident. There he is on the back, hanging out with a shark, his bestie. And then we've got the Martian Manhunter. He is looking big and tall. He's got his cape. He's holding his hand in kind of a weird way. It's like, I feel like he should be holding like a staff, but I don't think he comes with anything. Curious. Just looks like he's like about to hold like 2 beer, you know, when you're like double fisting at a party and you're like holding on for dear life. That is the vibe of the Martian Manhunter. Alright. What else do we have in here? We've got a new little Pokemon binder. And I tried out some A4 top loaders. It's been really hard to get top loaders. I don't know. Also, fun, I've got a Labyrinth chess set. So you can play, look at all the different buddies. Looking really closely, you can see, it looks like that's David Bowie. There's also the monsters. You can see it there as well. Very cool, very cool. And there's a dark crystal puzzle. Jim Henson all day, every day. Trial by puzzle, it says. Very nice. Alright. Next box. This could be like some McFarlane figures. Oh my gosh, there's more Batman figures. These went so quickly. Oh my god, it's the big boy. Okay. I'm not gonna get it out. Okay. Whoa, very well packaged. It's the Batman. He's big. This is a 12-inch posed statue, so you can't move it. It's not articulated. There it is from the back. Very nice. From the new film. Comes with this card and like a stand. Very nice, very sturdy, solid figure. Cool, cool. We have another McFarlane box. It's the Riddler. Also a very large statue. He has a little, I don't know what kind of weapon that is. It looks like a gardening tool. But I'm sure he put it to good use. Comes with a card and a stand. Very nice. Another kind of large 12-inch posed statue. I don't think you can it's articulated. It's very nice, very nice. Well then, I've got 3 more boxes. This one is great for all of your karate needs. It is a special limited series, Ninja Turtles versus Cobra Kai. So this is Donatello versus Johnny Lawrence. We also have Michelangelo versus Daniel LaRusso. And you can see that's what the back of the box has all 4 of them there. I think I have all 4. Let's see. Yes, indeed. We got Raphael versus John Kreese. And Leonardo versus Miguel Diaz. Very nice, very nice. I haven't seen the Cobra Kai show, but I hear good things. I also have this board game. I feel like I bought it just because it looks sick. Look at that art. Wonderland's War. 2 to 5 players, 25 minutes per player. 13 plus. Look at all the cool monsters. All about the art for me. Look at that art. That's very cool. I just love the cover. I love cats. Anything with a cat, I'm like, let's go. All right. Last 2 boxes. last of the Lord of the Rings set. So we've got Aragorn. When I was like 10 years old, I was so in love with Aragorn. Just such a cool character. Viggo Mortensen, just a beautiful man. And we also have an orc. Moria orc. Scary orc. Got lots of weapons. You can see them both there hanging out together. I feel like they should be in a battle pose. Cool, cool. And then the last box. It's Gandalf. He got his hat, of course, and a big sword. And then it's a Uruk-hai orc. He looks freaking terrifying. What does he come with? What is? He comes with like a dead orc head? Is that what that is? It's kind of hard to see with the plastic. You're gonna have to come have a look. And it comes with a shield, some weapons, of course. There they are on the back. Look at that face. Only a face a mother could love. Alright, I think that is everything. Thank you for tuning in. As always, a pleasure. Send me a message if there's anything you'd like reserved. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.